Okay, so this is my text summarization piece of software. So in the command prompt here, the first thing that we need to do is change the directory to the working directory of my code. So here I have the working directory of my code. All of the Java files are stored in here. All of the class files are stored in here. And all of the sample files are stored in here. So I'm going to copy the address of that directory and then paste that into there. So I'm changing the directory to that workspace. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is execute the command java-class path bin and then improved underscore summary, which is the name of the main class that pulls everything together in this bit of code. So if I execute that, here it is. So first of all, it will print out the initial bit of text that's been put in its entirety. So this piece of text is taken from the George Bush Wikipedia page. So it's printing out the entire piece of text, and then down here it says summary, and it's produced the summary of that text. So as you can see, if you read through the summary, it makes perfect sense, and it gives you the number of words in context and the number of words that are actually used in the summary. Thank you.